Worst cold start ever.
The rodeo is officially starting once again, or the rodeo of 2022. Every year it's kind of everything hits at the same time. One, we get going for spring, putting seeds in the ground. Two, which leads to a whole bunch of work. Two, we usually have a tractor, 1 to 2 tractors that get leased out to a construction company. They pull their water tanks with them and small rippers, and works good for us because usually in the summer months we got some equipment sitting just because falls are our busiest time of the year. Adam, the other day, I was running for parts. I told him to go and start this thing up, and it's been sitting in the same spot since November, and we kind of thought, oh, all right, film that one because, you know, we knew it was going to take a little while to get going and get rolling, but hope you enjoy this video. It's nothing real detailed, but it's kind of fun just to watch her start up. I got to get going. I just know I got a full day ahead of me.
Alright, so what we're doing today is we're trying to get this tractor going. Let's see, Scooter, the 4850, we need to get it going for a construction company. It hasn't ran since last fall. Pretty sure it just came over here and got parked. So we tried firing it up once already and we got it cranked a little bit, and then yeah, no start. Batteries are dead. So we got to boost in. Hopefully we can get it going soon here.
Keep it running. No. You almost had it.